Okay, we're going to do some practice with math. Today looks like finding averages. Now, you found averages for a long time, but for some reason when we actually put that into a problem, people tend to forget. So we're going to practice some of that stuff. If you look at the sample problems, it tells you exactly how to find the average. It gives you 4 numbers here. What you want to do is add up each of the numbers, and they simply just brought this down and got the sum. Once you have that, you take that sum and you divide by how many numbers there are. In this case, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, so they're going to divide by 4. 24 divided by 4 equals 6, so the average is 6. Let's try that on the first one. If I have a set of numbers down here, we have 19 plus 11 plus 29 plus 62 plus 14 equals 135. I'm going to divide that by how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to get an average of 27. In this case, they give you some units, which is meters, so we want to put that in there as well. So we'll put the M right next to it. 27 meters is our average. When we look at the second page, that's where you have to find the average using a data table. So you have to be able to read the data table. And here it's given you a data table with 3 students and their height from 6th grade up to 9th grade, and how that height changed from year to year. So number 2 says calculate the average of Gretchen and Dylan's height in the 8th grade. So I have Gretchen here, 8th grade, so I'm looking at this number, and Dylan in 8th grade is this number. I want to get the average of those two. So I take 159 plus 157, and that's going to equal 316. And I only have 2 numbers that I looked at, so I divide 316 by 2. When I do that, I get 158. And in this case, it's centimeters, so I might as well put 158 centimeters, which is the average between the two of their height. So work on the rest of it. Let us know if you have any questions, and that's all for now.